Why the internet can't survive without proof of human. The internet's survival hinges on a single unspoken truth. Humans are irreplaceable. As artificial intelligence, AI, accelerates, distinguishing between human and machine has become one of the most urgent challenges in digital infrastructure. World, formerly WorldCoin, a blockchain-based identity project, is pioneering a solution called WorldID, a proof-of-human protocol designed to redefine trust in the digital age. This article explores why this technology is critical, how it's being adopted globally, and the debates surrounding its future. A global shift toward trust. WorldID aims to address the limitations of traditional verification methods, which often rely on centralized systems prone to fraud or bias. In an AI-driven world, the need for transparent, decentralized authentication has never been more pressing. The project's architecture emphasizes privacy-first design, interoperability, and decentralization, positioning proof of human as the backbone of the Internet's future. With over 16 million verified users already on the platform, https://world.org/blog/momentum builds in Asia, the network has expanded rapidly, supported by 1,500 orbs operating across 23 countries. In Asia, verifications surpassed 100,000 in Japan and Singapore, while South Korea reached 10,000 within 3 weeks of April 2025. The role of AI and regulation. AI's rapid evolution has created a paradox. While it enables automation, it also threatens to erase human identity. WorldID seeks to bridge this gap by offering a scalable, mathematically rigorous method to verify human presence. Adrian, Chief Architect and CISO at Tools for Humanity (TFH), highlights the project's alignment with global security standards. He notes that WorldID's architecture, based on anonymized multi-party computation (AMPC), ensures data privacy by distributing encrypted fragments across independent parties, universities, and third-party entities, preventing any single entity from reconstructing personal information. This approach aims to balance scalability with privacy, a challenge many competing technologies struggle to achieve. Controversies and future uncertainties. Despite its promise, WorldID faces scrutiny. Critics argue that its reliance on a volatile token could undermine trust, while others question whether stablecoins or partnerships might offer a more stable alternative. The debate centers on whether tokenized incentives, like the WLD token, can sustain the network, or if price stability is essential for long-term viability. Meanwhile, regulators in Asia, including the EU and Hong Kong, have expressed mixed views on the project's regulatory compliance, with some resisting its launch, while others see it as a potential growth driver. Scaling and the road ahead. As the project expands, the question remains: will proof of human become the universal standard for digital identity? Or will regulatory friction and economic factors limit its impact? World's vision includes global infrastructure that transcends corporate control, with plans to deploy 250 orbs in South Korea to verify 1 million people. However, the project's success depends on achieving key milestones such as verifying 100 million users, reducing false positives, and maintaining a stable token price. If these targets are missed, World may need to scale down, raising concerns about its ability to sustain operations. Chapter: The Human Element. Beyond technical challenges, the project's value lies in its focus on human connection. As automation reshapes economies, ensuring that digital systems recognize and respect human identity becomes critical. WorldID's emphasis on accuracy and privacy addresses the daily struggles of users, such as fraud, scams, and impersonation, by providing a reliable way to prove one's humanity. Even simple scenarios, like a cafe offering free coffee, require proof of human existence to function effectively. This underscores the urgency of the project's mission: to create a digital ecosystem where trust is built on real, verifiable human presence. A new era of trust. The future of the Internet depends on whether proof of human can evolve into a global public utility, as indispensable as electricity or clean water. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain benchmarks for value, WorldID's role as a decentralized trust layer could redefine the digital economy. Yet, its success hinges on overcoming challenges like volatility, regulatory hurdles, and competition from other identity projects. As Adrienne concludes, the project's goal is not to accept decline, but to build solutions that ensure the digital future remains trustworthy. For now, the debate over whether proof of human will become the next cornerstone of the Internet continues, with the question of whether it will scale to billions or face the same constraints as other technologies.